Hi there, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. I know I have not been consistent, but I've had a lot of stuff going on at work, so I'm just like, you know what? Just keep up with what you can keep up with. And that might be the motto for just a short amount of time. So today I'm going to be doing, I don't even know what I'm doing. I think I'm doing the closeout. I cannot possibly be doing the closeout for February. I have to be doing March Paycheck 2. I know I have March Paycheck 2 to do. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to figure out what that budget looks like. We're going to move some monies around. And that's going to be our video. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, as you can see, we got some money set aside here, and I did look back at it, and guess what? I do need to do my February closeout for Paycheck 2. So behind, y'all. Okay, so we're starting. I'm adding my Amazon Kindle. That's $11. Envelopes are $300. Can we talk about envelopes? I'm almost 100% sure I'm going to have to up my envelopes by $20 because I need to add at least I might need to even add more. I'm going to start with 10 for each week for gas because gas prices are so high. I live in Texas. I'm born and raised. I've never seen gas prices over, like, even when we went over $3, I was a little like, But now gas prices are like hovering at, I can still get gas for $3.99 at some places. And I firmly believe that's because I live out in the suburbs. But there's other places I have seen gas for $4.07. I am appalled. And I know folks are like, oh, but you know, it's a blessing to be in America where we're safe. It is. I am not denying that. I think the things that are going on in the Ukraine are atrocities. And across the world, there's so many horrible things happening. But I am also upset about the fact that gas costs $4 in Texas. I don't understand what's happening. So anyways, I will have to probably raise the amount of money that I'm going to put towards gas because gas prices have gone up. I though started during the pandemic putting gas money aside because wasn't driving anywhere, wasn't going anywhere, still had gas money that I had in my budget because I never changed my budget just because I wasn't using the money. I was like, I'll use it at some point. Blessings. So I already have a $500 cushion because I'm paranoid. And I'm going to I just don't like to go under $500 for my cushion for gas. So anyways, sinking funds, $262. Student loans, I'm putting $14 there. Lawn, is it 14? It is. Interesting. Okay. Lawn, I'm putting that $70 aside. Springtime is trying to happen. It's super cold today, but the sun is out. The sun will be out for the next few days. It's going to rain a little bit towards the end of the week, but it's going to be in the 70s, so I'm excited. Spring is coming, so I'm still having that money for lawn already in my budget. AT&T is $71. Geico is $183. T-Mobile is $181. Gym is $11. I have got to get back in the gym, y'all. Netflix, which since I have to keep going into work for meetings and stuff, I might need to just go ahead and start going to the gym while I'm at work. Netflix has gone up to $17 because y'all know that they increased the price. I have no idea what this says. I'm like, what does this say? I think it's home maintenance. Okay. I was like, what is that? Is $60? Let's see. Emergency is $100. And so these are my savings. Visa gets $160, $176. NTTA gets $60. Amazon Music gets $9. Cushion gets 10. That's nice. Giving gets 10. That's great. Date gets 80. And I need to mark because I've already spent some money for date. And I'm trying to remember how much it was. I actually have the... Let me go get the receipt because I may need to mark that. Okay, 20... Okay, 25. So we're already taking out 25 for date. I try to keep up with this as I go along. Okay. Security savings gets 60. Home emergency gets 10. Car emergency, oh my gosh, do I have enough? Gets 10. Ooh, I think I'm actually gonna run out. New car gets 5. And then somewhere in here, I guess I'll put it here. Waxing gets 88. Okay. All right then. I can't believe I ran out. I just have a lot that I am budgeting for. Let's see. And then the total is 1798. Okay. Let's add these up. Okay. So we are looking at 11 plus 300 plus 262 plus 14 plus 70 plus 71 plus 183 plus 181 plus 11 plus 17 plus 60 plus 100 plus 88 plus 6. Oops. 88 plus 167, 176, oh my goodness, plus 60 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 80 plus 60 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, 1798. Perfect. Nothing left over. Zeroed out. All right, so the money that we needed to pull was $262 for sinking funds. Then we pulled out, I don't know what the 25 is from. I know we needed to pull out 10 because I don't even think I have anything listed on here as 25. So that's interesting. It must be from the closeout that I forgot to add on here. $10 for cushion plus $10 for, let me do a time check. Okay, we're still doing good. $10 for giving plus $5 for new car. Oh no, okay, I did 25. I think it's, oh my goodness. Why do I feel confused? I hate it. I hate this, y'all. Ooh, because it was 45 from February, so it's 25. Now, if I'm doing home emergency, car emergency, and new car, then that makes sense. But then I'm like, well, where does that other $5 come from? Because it should be home emergency, so plus 10, plus car emergency, which is 10, plus new car, which is 5. I guess we'll just figure that out. I mean, I might have 5 extra. Because I don't know what that... I think I might have 5 extra. So anyways, let me make sure I have everything that I would want to put. I really want to put these 14, so I guess plus 14. Maybe I got confused somewhere down the line, so that might be a thing for that. Okay, so student loans. So we have 262, so let's count that out. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. So 2. Oh, you know what? I need to go grab $1. Okay. I was like, I don't understand why this isn't right. Okay, so there's the 262. Come on. All right. 262 for sinking funds. We'll set that aside so we can do our sinking fund stuffing. Then we have, oh, it's 10 minutes. It won't take, well, it will take a little bit of time. Let me go ahead and do another video, and I will combine these together with probably my closeout from February. We'll see how long that takes. So I'm going to go ahead and end this because I don't like going over 10 minutes really for these videos. But we will go and we will do the cash stuffing for my March Paycheck 2 in my next video. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye, y'all.